ambush marketing. First, with the definition of ambush marketing. Ambush marketing is a planned effort by an organization to associate themselves with an event in order to gain at least some of the recognition and benefits that are associated with being an official sponsor. Like for example, suppose she is the sponsorer and I am an ambush marketer. What I will do, I will go in her event and somehow I will do some publicity without paying anything or paying a minimal amount to do a publicity and showing that I am the official sponsor or gain people's attention towards my brand. Then as ambush marketing requires less capital and it attracts many people, so that and influences also many people, so that is why it gives more business to a company and also less investments are there and they gain higher returns. Then we have types of ambush marketing. Firstly, I'll go with forging. Basically, see, every brand has its own name, identity, logo, symbol, everything. It has a distinctive feature which differentiates with the competitor. So that is why in ambush marketing, what the ambush marketer does, if Pepsi is the if Pepsi is the sponsorer of an event, so what an ambush marketer will do that it will take the logo or name, maybe Pepsi, and anything they will make in the changes, name, symbol, anything, and they will show that they are the official sponsorer, and this will create basically confusion in the minds of consumer, like who are the sponsors of the event. So this is how forging is done. Basically, forging is not a good thing of a good type of ambush marketing, as there are legal implications in it. Then in intuition, I will not do anything, as in, I will not associate myself with a sponsorer with his name or logo. What I will do, I will use the medium of publicity and, promote myself. I will not get into any legal hassles or anything. Then, essentials of ambush marketing. Firstly, catch the competitor awareness.